evening, students. In our standard costing, in our earlier chapters, we learned about the direct material variances, that is purely connected with the standard costing, where we have to study the variances which occurred due to the material, due to the direct materials. What are those changes, why they happened, and what the management take measures to take control on these differences. They all are the study materials of the standard costing. Well, the material cost variance gives an idea how much more or less materials been incurred when compared with the standard cost. All of us know that the company sets the standard cost and it is compared with the actual cost. And the difference between the standard cost and the actual cost is known as the variance. So, when it is compared with the standard cost, thus, variance analysis is an important tool to keep a tab on the deviations from the standards that are set by the company. Moving further, when we divide the material cost variance (MCV), there are two types: material price variance, that is called MPV, material uses variance, that is known as MUV. Now, when we subdivide the MUV, material uses variance, then there are two parts: MMV, also known as material mix variance, and material yield variance. Okay, now let us take them one by one. Now first is the material cost variance (MCV), the difference between the standard direct material cost of the actual production volume and the actual cost of direct materials. Okay, as we can see that is linked with material cost variance, so we have to see the actual production and the standard production of what? Of the direct material. Okay, so here this is related with cost. So the formula that is developed is known as standard quantity of input for actual production into standard price plus or minus actual quantity of input into actual price. Okay, again this standard quantity will multiply by standard price, and actual quantity, this AQ, will be multiplied by actual price, SQ into SP plus or minus actual quantity into AP. From this, the MCV, the material cost variance, will be equals to MPV plus MUV, that is material price variance plus material uses variance, or you can say the MPV plus MUV is equals to MCV, that determines the material cost variances. Now here how we will determine this MPV? For this, the formula would be MPV equals to standard price minus actual price multiplied by actual quantity. As the simple formula or sutra is that, students, the mantra says that the price is here, so we will take the difference of prices. Okay, MPV, so what we have to do? Simply SP, standard price, will be minus actual price into actual quantity, while the material uses variance will be standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. Here uses is used, so for uses, what difference we want? We want the difference of quantity. Okay, so quantity difference into standard price, that will determine the material uses variance. Okay, so these all formulas are related with material cost variance, where we have to determine, where we have to see the difference between the actual and the standard production of direct materials. Now another one is known as material mix variance. Again, this is also the main factor related with direct material mix variance, MMV. This is that portion of uses variance which is due to the difference between standard and actual composition of mixture. Okay, as the name is related with mixer, so definitely for this mixer we have to take different compositions, okay, of materials. That's why it is the mixer MMV. Well, for MMV the formula will be standard price within brackets, actual quantity in standard mix, also known as RSQ. RSQ is simply, students, the revised standard quantity, that is actual, the total actual quantity. Whenever we are taking the total actual quantity, it is known as revised standard quantity, or in short, RSQ. Okay, here now the formula will be SP into actual quantity in standard mix into RSQ plus AQ. AQ is again the actual quantity. That means what we have to do, we have to find out the consumption, the consumed. So the total standard quantity of particular material will be divided by total standard quantity of all the materials, because we have to see the material mix variance, MMV, where we have to take the all mixtures of materials. Clear? So here this will take standard price, actual quantity, and the standard quantity of all the material. Third factor of direct material variance is material yield variance. This variance arises due to the differences between the standard yield specified and actual yields obtained. Okay, yield is actually material yield variances is the standard loss in terms of actual input. If the manufacturing concern is facing any loss, then this category will come under the yield. So here again we will see the difference, standard loss in terms of actual input plus or minus actual loss on actual input. Okay, so here the differences of standard loss and actual loss into actual standard price. Okay, into actual standard price, here we will multiply it by actual standard price, or the formula says that the material yield variance MYV equals to MUV, material uses variance, plus minus material mix variance. Okay, so here the formula is like this. Here one thing comes, why we are using the plus and minus sign. So the answer could be negative or positive. Okay, it will show the adverse or the favorable condition. That's why we have to use the plus or minus sign in the formula. Now material sub uses variance, students, this is the another factor related with the direct material variance. Material sub uses variance, when a product is produced from a mixture of two or more kinds of material, there may arise material sub uses variance, in short MSUV. MSUV, what we are doing, we are taking the mixture of two or more kinds of material. Okay, and in the MMV we were taking the total mixture, and here we are taking two or more kinds of. So according to this meaning, the formula creates MSUV, material sub uses variance, equals to standard quantity plus revised standard quantity into SP. Here we have to take the standard quantity and the revised standard quantity. Again, why we are using this RSQ, students? Because of the material sub uses variance. That's why we won't take the actual quantity. Instead of actual quantity, we will go for RSQ, that is the revised standard quantity, and it will be multiplied by the standard price. Okay. Now very quickly, let's take some illustrations and get the problem clear. From the following information, we have to calculate the material cost variance MCV, B material price variance, and C material uses variance. These questions have been asked in the earlier examination of Kumaon University, so just focus on these questions and the solutions. Well, here in the problem, the standard and actual data is given. In the case of standard, two materials have been used, A 70 kg at the rate of rupees 4 and B 30 kg at the rate of rupees 5. Well, actual for material A 50 kg at the rate of rupees 5, and the actual material for material B is 50 kg at the rate of rupees 4. Now you have to make comparison between both and get MCV, MPV and MUV. Okay. Now basic information table we have to create. We'll create the materials A and B like this. We'll create the two columns, one for standard mix and another for actual mix. Here the standard quantity A, that is 70 and the rate was 4. So multiplication will be standard cost. Okay, SQ, standard quantity, multiply standard price, that will determine the standard cost. Okay, so 70 into 4, 280, this one. Now standard cost for B, quantity is given 30 and the rate is 5. So here the multiplication says 150. Now this is total of standard quantity, it is coming 100. Well, the standard cost is coming 430. Okay, now move for actual mix. Again create 3 columns. One for actual quantity, that is 50-50 in both cases, A and B. Actual price 5 and 4, simply 5 and 4, and the multiplication of both will determine the actual cost. Okay, so 50 into 5, 250, 50 into 4, 200. The addition is coming 450. Okay, so you can see the company standard mix is, the total is coming 430, while comparing with the actual mix is 450. So here also we can see the changes. Okay, now for first is to determine the material cost variance. For material cost variance, students, the formula says standard cost minus actual cost, simply. But we have to take the cost is only. So cost is, as I say, 430 minus 450. Okay, we have to take this total. So here it is coming rupees 20. That is the adverse. Adverse means minus, negative. Well, MPV, material price variance. So here the formula is actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. Now again we will create the two different, A for A and for B. So here A, actual quantity is 50. Okay, and B, again it is 4. Standard price is 4 minus 5, and here it is B, it is 5 minus 4. Okay, standard 4 minus 5, this one 4 and 5, this is standard price, this is actual price. And for B, standard price is rupees 5 and actual price is rupees 4. So here rupees 50, it is coming adverse, and rupees 50, it is favorable. So whenever one is minus and one is plus, the total would be nil. Okay, here we are showing the nil effect. Now third is material uses variance, MUV. Now the formula is, because we have to see the uses, it is directly connected with the quantity. So formula is standard price into standard quantity into actual quantity. Again students, for this we have to make two columns, one for A, another for B. Okay, standard price for material A is 4 and standard price for B is 5, 4 and 5 here. Standard quantity is 70 and 30, this for A and 30 for B. Okay, and actual is 50-50 for both. Actual quantity 50-50. So here it is coming rupees 80 favorable and rupees 100 adverse. So here 80 and 100 and the difference is 20. Okay, 20, that is minus 20. So here after doing the calculation, the first was 50 minus 50, 0, and this was coming minus 20. So what we are getting, the total minus 20, and that is also negative. So you can say that there is a variance in material cost variances which the management should improve as soon as possible. As you can see, we are getting the answer adverse. Okay, so we have to prove also. So here simply the formula creates MCV, this one equals to MPV plus MUV. Okay, and we are getting answer minus 20. So the management should focus on MCV and improve the conditions to control.